Hi! Did you ever want to learn how to make rajas con crema? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Grab your apron and join me in the kitchen. So, today's recipe is rajas con crema. It's traditionally a Mexican dish and it's very popular within the central and southern part of Mexico, and it can be served with about pretty much anything and any occasion. Whether you have a carne asada, you can bring it as a side dish, or if you want it as a main dish, you can make a bigger portion and you can serve it with quesadillas or with tostadas or whatever you want. It's a very common and versatile dish, and it only takes a couple of ingredients. So, let's get to them. To make your rajas con crema, all you'll need is 2 poblano peppers, 1 cup of corn, half an onion, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup shredded Oaxaca cheese, half a tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon seasoning. Hi once again, my name is Juan Avalos, aka Don Juan, and I'm originally from San Luis Potosí, Mexico. I simply just love food because it's such a great way to bring people together. I really like caring for people and just making people smile, and one of the ways that I do that is by just cooking something that's personal to me that I can share with them. And so whenever you've had a long day of work or you're having people over, it's just a great way to everybody join around the table, have a good plate of food, and just kind of letting go of everything else. And in that moment, everything that matters is just your little group. And so it's a great way to break barriers. It's a great way to make friends. It's a great way to make memories. And I love food because you can make it sweet, you can make it sour, you can make it spicy, you can make it into a broth, you can make a pasta, you can make so many things with food. It's so versatile that whatever you're feeling like, you can make it. So I like food. That's really it, and I love eating it. But enough about me. Let's go into the rundown of the recipe. So to make your rajas con crema, all you need is a couple simple steps. First, start by preheating your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and line up a baking sheet with aluminum foil and put your poblano peppers on them. Make sure to wash them beforehand so that way you can get all the dirt off of them. Then, brush the peppers with half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. After you added the oil to the peppers, put them in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. At that point, then, once the 20 minutes expire, you'll flip them over so that way the skin is charred and soft on both sides, and then cook them for about 20 minutes more. After the 20 minutes have passed, make sure to take the peppers carefully out of the oven, put them in a bowl and cover with plastic wrap and let them steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will help you to peel the skins off the peppers, and in order to do so, make sure you use gloves so that way you don't get the spices all on your hands and you keep safe and don't touch your eyes with them. After you strip and take away the seeds and the stem for the peppers, you can cut them into about 1/8 of an inch thin strips. Bring a pot of water to boil and cook your corn for about 10 minutes until it's soft. After that, make sure to drain them and remove all the water off of them. Now you can bring everything together. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook and stir the onion until soft for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, after your 5 to 10 minutes, add your poblano peppers and your corn, as well as your chicken bouillon seasoning, and cook for about 3 minutes. Make sure everything gets mixed thoroughly. After that, reduce the heat to medium-low and stir in your cream and your cheese, and simmer until your cheese gets nice and ooey gooey and melty for about 5 minutes. And after that, all you have to do is put it in a plate and serve it up to your table. And there you have it. Simple, easy, and it doesn't take that much time to do. After this, you can just serve it to your friends and family, share it together. You can eat it by itself. You can eat it the way I like it, with some chips, or you can use tostadas or even tortillas and serve them as tacos. Literally just depends on how you want to serve and eat them. All that's left to do now is try it. Well, sometimes your tortilla or your chips might break. It's just too much cheese, which is fine. Let me get a good scoop. There we go. Look at that. That's good stuff. Now that's really good. Well, Thank you for having us today in your house. And until next time, have a good one. Bye, everybody.